Microgreens are a type of edible young vegetable green that are harvested after sprouting. They are gaining popularity due to their high nutrient content and ease of growing. In this beginner's guide, we will show you how to grow microgreens indoors. The first step to growing microgreens is to choose the right seeds. Look for seeds labeled specifically for microgreens, as they will be easy to germinate and have the right flavor and texture. Some popular options include broccoli, radish, and kale microgreens. Once you have your seeds, it's time to prepare your growing medium. You can use soil, coconut coir, or even paper towels. Make sure whatever you choose is moist, but not soaking wet. Sprinkle the seeds evenly over the growing medium and gently press them down. Make sure they are not too close together, as this can cause overcrowding and poor growth. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil or growing medium. Keep your microgreens in a well-lit area, but out of direct sunlight. Water regularly to keep the growing medium moist. After a few days, you should see sprouts begin to appear. Continue to water and care for your microgreens until they reach the desired size. Once your microgreens have reached the desired size, it's time to harvest them. Use a pair of scissors to snip off the greens just above the growing medium. Wash and enjoy your microgreens in salads, sandwiches, and smoothies.